everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys the Walgreens ad preview. Now this ad preview usually shows up on the Walgreens website on Wednesdays, so I like to show you guys that because it's a nice clear photo. I know there's a lot of people who post ads online, but sometimes they're blurry and you can't see them, but I just like to share with you guys the actual ad from Walgreens. Now I do notice that some people have different ads in different regions, so just let you guys know on that. But this is the ad preview for Sunday, February 24th through March 2nd. So another thing to give you guys a heads up is the booklet, the Walgreens booklet. They're going to have a new booklet for March. I don't have it yet. I got to get to the store. My store usually doesn't get theirs until Thursdays or Fridays. So if I try to make it to the store to get a booklet, I will show you guys that. But otherwise, I can kind of guess some of the deals that are in the booklet. So here we got a $5 reward for every $25 you spend coupon, and it's good until the 27th. So that's what, till Tuesday or Wednesday. So they do that every once in a while when they want people to just kind of get some last minute sales. So if you guys are interested on that. Now they have the all laundry detergent for $2.88. We're getting an online coupon for $1, making them $1.88, which is an okay deal if you guys are interested in something like that. They also have Crest toothpaste on sale for $2.99, and then we're getting $2 off coupons in the P&G ad, making them just 99 cents. So we got that. Now there's Scott's paper towels and bath tissues. I stock up on this stuff all the time. I don't need any more, but I still stock up on it. But those are always $5. That's what the tag says on the package, and they're always $5. But it looks like there's going to be a $1.25 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Plus, I don't know if there's any actual coupons out there, but I know you can go to the Scott's website and sometimes print off a 50-cent or a 75-cent off coupon. It fluctuates, but if we did have a 50-cent off coupon, it'd be $3.25 for those, which is a pretty good deal. I usually say anything under $3 for that stuff is a pretty good deal. So we got some great deals with that. They got Doritos and Lay's chips for $1.88, which I think is a pretty good deal. I like, you know, getting chips for under $2, so got that going on. A lot of food deals, nothing that's really popping out at me for food deals. Yeah, and they always have Lindsay olives for like 99 cents. It's either 99 cents or 2 for $2. It's never not on sale. They always have it on sale. It's like, why don't they just permanently make it that price? So more food items, nothing really popping out. Candy. Now they do have Cadbury Eggs and the Reese's Eggs. I've been craving Cadbury Eggs like crazy, but they're going to be 4 for $2 with a $1 off of 4 coupons. So I'm assuming they're going to be 4 for $3, and then you get that $1 off of 4 coupon, I think. Or they might be a quarter each. I will do that, but I'm going to definitely do that deal because I've been really craving Cadbury Eggs. Now here we got Sparkle paper towels or bath tissue. No, just paper towels. Those are $5 on sale, and then there's going to be an online coupon making them $4. So if you guys are Sparkle loyal, you guys can go with that. The Febreze is 2 for $6. Now we are getting buy one get one free Febreze coupons. I don't know the exact details for it, but you guys could use that coupon and get them for actually about $3 or $1.50 a piece. So I like to get a lot of Febreze. Hefty, there are $6.99, and then we're getting $1 off coupons, making them $5.99. Not sure if it's the greatest deal, but if you guys were interested in that. Now they have Oxiclean for $3.99. Now I know a lot of people went crazy buying the Oxiclean when it was 99 cents with the coupon. Here it will be $1.99 with that $2 off coupon. So it's up to you guys if you guys still have some coupons and you still want to get it, because I don't know when those coupons expire, but there is those for you guys. Now we're going to the beauty section. Now they do have TRESemmé 2 for $10. Now I do think we are getting a buy one get one free coupon, and it says if you spend 15 you get 3,000 points. So I'm going to try to see if we can figure out a deal with that, but otherwise there could be some good deals with that. They have Head and Shoulders and Herbal Essence, buy one get one 50% off. Plus we have, I know we have a buy one get one free for the Herbal Essence Bio Renew, and then I think we have a 3 off of 2 for the Head and Shoulders, and then you guys get 2,000 points if you buy 2. Pantene is buy one, get one 50% off. There's a 5 off of 3. You get 2,000 points when you buy 2. The Suave shampoo and Dove products are buy one, get one 50% off. I don't know what coupons we have for there, but you get 3,000 points if you spend 15. So, and then a lot of makeup deals are buy 2, get the 3rd free. I rarely buy makeup when they do that. But here they got Bic razors, buy one, get one free, or buy one, get one 50% off. Then you get 3,000 points when you buy 2. Plus it says in the small print, mail-in rebate for a free gift with purchase of the premium Bic razor. Not sure what's included in there, but hey, we got that. The Crest mouthwash and toothbrushes are buy one, get one 50% off. We have $1 off coupons, plus you get a $2 registry reward when you guys buy 2. Colgate $4.99, $5 registry reward when you buy 2. Not the greatest deal, but you know, some stuff sticks up on us. Here we got Speed Stick. They're buy one, get one 50% off. That we are getting 50% off coupons for the men's Speed Stick and the ladies Speed Stick. There's also 3,000 points when you buy 2. So hopefully we can get some pretty good deals with those. Medicines and diapers. I can't read the small print, but I think it says when you spend 50, you get 10,000 points, but I cannot really read that small of the print. Medicines, nothing really popping out with that. There might be some deals. There says there's coupons for here for $3 off for the chest, so Honey, Arnie Care. There might be a $3 off coupon, and then sometimes there's deals in Ibotta, so we could always check that out and see if we can get any deals with Ibotta. Medicines, buy one, get one 50% off, buy one, get one free. Personal stuff, random stuff. Pictures are 12 cents a piece if you guys are interested in pictures. And then here is the last page of the Walgreens ad. M&M's 2 for $5. We are getting $1 off of 2. Skittles, Snickers, Starburst, Mars Candy, 69 cents. So if you guys need any fillers. They got the Puffs and the Dawn dish soap for 99 cents. We are getting 25% off coupons, making them 74 cents. Otherwise, nothing really popping. It is going to be a good week, just not the greatest week, but it is going to be a pretty decent week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.